you're probably wondering, what am I doing on a Friday, sitting in front of my computer, getting cozy with my laptop, when I should be partying and out in Germany? Well, I'm a family man and I got kids, so this is my party. I want to show you now what I'm working on with books. So remember, I was talking about Insta-Freebie and Voracious Readers, and I just interviewed Larry Fronsek from Voracious Readers. And if he's watching, I think he'll like this, because I'm going to compare now Voracious Readers to Insta-Freebie in the initial phase, and Voracious Readers is winning. So check it out, my friends. What you do is you go to, it's now called Prolific Works. It used to be called Insta-Freebie, and as a matter of fact, if you type Insta-Freebie in any web browser, it will just reroute you to Prolific Works. So both services are similar. You sign up and you get email subscribers through book promotions. So there's my new favorite, Voracious Readers, and here is Insta-Freebie, now called Prolific Works. So you upload your books here, and then you join group giveaways, right? So these are what these giveaways look like. And then it's really cool, and you can collaborate with other authors, and then you join these giveaways. So let's see this one. Let's see, was it this one or this one? Let's see this one. Okay, you join these giveaways, and then people download your books. Look at all the books that are in this giveaway. Where's mine? Where did it go? Why don't I recognize? So you see that? Can you see that? 34 claims. So that means 34 people downloaded it. That doesn't mean that I got 34 emails, though. That's optional for them to give you your email. So then when you go, you get a link also, of course, to promote this page. So you take this link and then you promote it, and then you get banners and stuff. Let's see, I'll show you how the page looks. This is the page that you would then promote, you see? And there's my book. Hey, it's at the top this time. I think that's random how they do that. Yeah, it's not always at the top. So this is what it looks for somebody who's going to the page to go get some free books. And the cool thing is, you can see that my book is doing okay. Some of them, so look, this guy has 67 claims. This guy has 18. Wow, he's got 92. I've got 34, so I'm kind of in the middle. Some people only have like 7 here, not doing so well. But, you know, so that's a good indicator right there of what you can do with your book. So I was looking at these guys, and these guys seem to be in the wrong giveaway. They're not really thrillers and crime and action, although my book is science fiction. Okay, so that's how Insta-Freebie works. And then I have to make the screen smaller, because then you get all the subscribers, right? Now, like I said, it's optional. People can download your book and not give you their email. So I have to make the screen smaller because you're not allowed to see their emails. Okay, so you will see that I got 22 subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to go back now. I don't know why it's tough to do that, to blank out part of the screen. So the point is, I got 22 subscribers so far. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. Let's see. Group giveaways. You can see, so the one children's books giveaway is over. But look at these. This one only started 19th of February, right? So I haven't been doing this that long. This one's going to start 15th of February. Okay. So I've got 21 subscribers. These haven't started yet. Okay, so I got 21 subscribers, and within days. Now, important with Insta-Freebie, you have to pay $20 a month for that option to get subscribers. On the free plan, you can only add your books to giveaways, and people can download them, but you cannot get subscribers. So, big difference there. And not surprising, Insta-Freebie Prolific Works is not good for children's books. I got 1 subscriber, okay? And there's not very many giveaways for children books either. So, as usual, you know, I've been testing this for over a year now. There aren't very many giveaway sites like this for children's books. So this was the 1 children's book giveaway and 1 subscriber. That's it, okay? And this one and this one is live now, and I already got 21 subscribers, okay? So this is really cool because you can collaborate with other authors and it's fun. Now, Voracious Readers is different. It's easier. All you do is you go to their website for readers, authors, and you sign up. You give them your book, and then they just start sending you emails. Look at that. And the first giveaway is free. So here was the first one. It was over 20. You can't really see it that well, but that was just the last 8 or something. So I got over 20 emails. I got something like 25 emails, subscribers for free. And then you can pay for the evergreen option, and they just keep sending you subscribers. And this is $20 per month. And I haven't even paid yet because I forgot, I think the first month is free when they're testing the funnel, right? So you're never going to pay more than 20 a month or 50 cents per subscriber or something like that. So it's looking really good. And it's much easier. You just give them your book and they start sending you the subscribers over. So I'm liking Voracious Readers much more. Now, check it out, my friends. My buddy, Mark O'Neill, my author colleague, he's also tried them both. And he says that the subscribers from Prolific Works or Insta-Freebie aren't that good and they just unsubscribe later. They're just freebie seekers. So I'm going to test them. Check it out. Check it out. Where are my lists here? In my new favorite email provider is called SendFox. See that? SendFox. Really cool. I really love them. I don't want to use any other email providers anymore because it's so easy. So now what I'm going to do is I am segmenting my lists. And this is what I recommend to you too. If you want to have a hyper responsive list, you need to segment them. So from Voracious Readers, I'm only getting girl subscribers, female subscribers, women. And from Insta-Freebie, I'm getting some men too. So I'm going to make a list for the Insta-Freebie men. So right now I have Hyperion, that's the name of the book. So the Insta-Freebie girls and the Voracious girls, okay? So let me show you what happens when you segment your list. How did I have it? InfoStack, this one right here. I want to show you the difference in responsiveness of lists when you segment this. Look at this list here. I took my ZBooks main list and segmented them by the responsive and the not responsive. So if you're using MailChimp, you have stars that shows you how responsive the people are, right? And I use GetResponse for my main list. I think I'm going to switch everything over, though, to SendFox because I'm loving it so much. And it's so easy to use. I'm just more productive now. I don't dread writing emails now, because you can just write it in a Google Doc and copy and paste. Anyways, that will be another review someday. So, but look at this difference, 634 subscribers compared to 411. But look at the difference in open rates, 7.44%, 0.54% of the people clicked, 0.5, 0.5% clicked out of 634. In my more responsive list, 30% 8% opens, 4.9% clicks. Okay. Okay. However, more people unsubscribed also. Okay. So this list is much better. That's the difference between your A list and your B list, my friends. So what you need to do is segment your email marketing as much as possible. So now I have an advantage from Voracious Readers and Prolific Works. I already know who's a boy or a girl, and I know their names. So if you can, definitely do segment your lists by gender and anything else. That age is very good, and you will have a huge disparity between the lists and the way you do your email marketing. There will be a huge difference. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you. Now I have to get more subscribers. It's only been like 1 week, and I've already got over 30 subscribers from Voracious Readers, 22 subscribers from Prolific Works, although one was for the children's book. So 20. I've already got more subscribers through Voracious Readers than Prolific Works. Okay, and next I'm going to build it up, get a couple hundred of subscribers with both of these services, and then run them through the SendFox program, and then we will see right here if there's a big difference. Okay, according to my buddy Mark O'Neill, the Insta freebies are not that good. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. And so if you're a science fiction or romance writer, these two lists, these two services will definitely work for you. That's it, my friends. So happy weekend. Happy Friday.